Before we start, I want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Wall Street Tactical. In this video, we're going to be talking about Imbi, as this stock seems to be the next big thing in the finance world. We're going to talk about this in detail, since it can almost double your investments. Hence, make sure that you keep watching until the end. With a market cap of around $140 million, we're talking about Imbi. Imbi stands for iMedia Brand Incorporated, which is a multi-platform interactive video and digital e-commerce company. It's based in the United States of America and is increasing its work with every passing day. As of now, Timothy A. Peterman is the CEO of the company, and he has been on this spot since May 2019. So now that you know about the details of the company, let's start with the details about the numbers, shall we? Let us start with volatility. When compared to all the stocks trends in the USA, Imbi is doing a great thing, as it's under 9% influence, and it's surely a stable trend in the price. You might not want to see too many variations for the pricing trends and the graphs. If you do, then that indicates too many variations in the purchase and sales of the stock. This might be a good thing for a quick flip, but if you need a long-term investment, then surely a steady trend is the go-to. The one-year return of Imbi is around 61%, and if you compare that with the US online retail numbers, then you would note that the company is doing extremely well. The US online retail returned just about 9%, which is far less than what Imbi can offer. The same trend is seen in comparing the return of Imbi to the market. The US market gained around 38% in the past year, and that's almost half that of what Imbi numbers show. So, this is a great thing for Imbi, isn't it? The current price of Imbi is around $7, and it's often less than that, and as per reviews by the experts, the amount is much less than what it deserves. The ideal price range of Imbi stock is around $28, and many experts agree with this amount. Well, if you look into the prices of the stock and then compare it with the trends in the graphs, you'll also agree to the same. Now, let's talk about the price-to-book ratio of Imbi. The PB ratio of Imbi is around 2.3 times, and this ratio must be less than the US online retail industry average. Since that value is around 5.5 times, hence the PB ratio of Imbi is also ideal, hence it'll give you another insight into how the Imbi is a great deal for your money. And you should definitely look into investing into it. If we consider the saving rate to be 2%, then the earning and saving rate seems to be in the favor of Imbi. Considering the fast growth of the stock, it's going to be profitable in the next 5 years, and it's an ideal situation to invest in stocks at such events. It'll also be profitable in the next 3 years, as we know it's above the average market growth. You would always like to see the stock doing better than the average market growth. Now let's talk about liabilities. The current valuation of Imbi's short-term assets is around the $175 million range. Now let's compare this with short-term and long-term liabilities of the company. The short-term liabilities of the company settles around $126 million, and the long-term liabilities stands at around $56 million. If you're new to this concept, then just know that both the short-term and long-term liabilities must be less than the short-term assets, and in this case it is true, hence it is ideal to get this stock. Well, yes, the company is in debt as of now, but when we compare it to the trends with the last 5 years, the debt has been reduced. It was as big as 121% 5 years ago, but now it has been reduced to around 108%. But this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen, because I'm sure you'll love them. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.